Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix battery drain on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on factory reset. Enter phone pin and click on reset. Click on clear. You will see after the process your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix battery drain on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.